Where are you?
I'm in my room. Why?
Why are you at home?
What's wrong?
Did you forget our date today?
No, our date is tomorrow.
No, it's not. The date is today, right now.
Really, is it Friday today?
Yes, we are going to the cinema and then dinner.
Oh no, I thought today was Thursday.
But I am at the cinema now, waiting for you.
I am so sorry, Mina. I am coming now.
You have 20 minutes.
Okay, but we will miss the start of the movie.
I know, please hurry.
I'm trying. I am having a party this weekend. Want to come?
Oh, thank you, but I am busy.
Oh, that's too bad. What are you doing?
I have a date.
A date? Really? Who with?
With a doctor.
Wow, that's cool. Where did you meet him?
At the hospital.
Wow, I want a date with a doctor too.
It's very easy.
Easy? Tell me how.
You just go and ask for one.
Wait a minute. Your date is a doctor's appointment, right?
Yes, of course. What else?
Oh, my friend, that is an appointment, not a date.
Are they different?
Very. A date is romantic. An appointment is for something serious. Like seeing a doctor.
Oh, I get it now.
And I was so excited about your date.
Wow, these shoes are great. Are they special?
Yes, there are not many. Only 200 in Europe.
Oh, so they are expensive. 400 euros is a lot of money for shoes.
To shoe lovers, it's a good price. They are like art.
But I want comfortable shoes.
These are comfortable. And they'll make you look cool in a place like Kreuzberg.
Kreuzberg, is that a cool place?
Yes, lots of artists and interesting people live there.
So with these shoes, I will look good there?
Yes, they are perfect for you and for Kreuzberg.
But I'm a student. Is there a discount?
I'm sorry, the price is the same for everyone.
Okay, I'll take them.
Great, you will love them.
You are drinking a lot of beer. Are you okay?
No, I am not okay.
What's wrong?
It's about James, my boyfriend.
Yes, I know him.
He broke up with me.
What? I thought you were happy together.
We were, but he said he doesn't want to get married.
So you asked him about marriage and he said no?
Yes, that's right.
Then why does he date you?
He said he only wants to date. He doesn't want a serious relationship.
That's not good. He is not a good person for you. It's good that you broke up.
I know, I'm just drinking to forget him. Helen, the landlord is here for the rent. And I'm out of money.
Oh, Laura, don't worry. It will be okay, but I don't have a job.
How can we pay? You had a job interview last week, right?
Yes, I did, but I don't think I did well. They want a person with a lot of experience. And I am new.
Be positive, Helen. You can do it. Look, here is a letter for you.
Oh my gosh, I got the job. I can't believe it.
Wow, that's great news. Congratulations.